to them, I'm just a normal dad, you know, and it's almost like I play a character, but when I'm around these guys, you know, they're imitating me, they're making fun of me. I'm just like a big clown to these guys, which is great, you know, because that's what I really enjoy, just being a part of the family.
Hey, I'm just looking at him.
What are you guys doing?
Making me laugh.
What are you guys doing?
Nothing. He looks so he's trying not to laugh.
I went through some tough times as a kid. I moved a lot. You know, I went to, I think it was like 7 schools in 8 or 9 years. And when I got a chance to put my own family together, I was like, man, this is gonna be, we're gonna be tight. I think as I've gotten older, I'm more and more fascinated by the history of our family. And for our family, football has been a big part of who we are. And, you know, it really started, I think, with my dad. Oh, there's Grandpa Jim right there. I just can't believe that Ancestry found this yearbook.
I've never seen
I got my odds on him getting that ball.
Yeah. Definitely a way that all of us can like connect with one another, because all of us playing, we can talk to our brothers or our dad about it.
A lot of life lessons in it, for sure. My family, we've always kind of speculated about Germany. We've always would hear that our last name is connected. So I was a little surprised by my DNA results here.
England.
German.
We knew that from the last name.
Yeah, I thought that would have been more.
Yeah.
And then to break down and see Wales, Scotland, Norway, Ireland, Jewish, that whole thing, I think, is pretty fascinating. But to actually be able to, thanks to Ancestry, be able to actually see the first individual who left Germany when he was 20 years old, make his way over into the United States and set up camp in Cincinnati, Ohio, that to me is pretty cool.
Was that him?
Jeez, look at that.
Idol.
How about that? I mean,
Madisonville has lost its oldest inhabitant. Michael Buckle, who was 96 years old and had lived in Madisonville 59 years, died Sunday.
He took daily walks from Madisonville to Oakley and back, and thus kept himself alive and in good health for a quarter of a century longer than the allotted span.
The daily walks, keeping him alive.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Just like you,
Yeah, that's what we do.
every day.
He was on it way before
That I
anyone
took
else.
from him. Yeah,
Yeah.
I got that down.
Also, I think the best part of this experience has been just looking at the traits.
Hangriness.
Introvert or extrovert.
This is
Watching
a thing?
watching sports.
That's a trait?
Watching sports is a trait. I think
I think
you're-
that's
all the way.
pegged.
yeah, easily.
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
look at that, huh?
That's crazy.
Not even didn't say you're a fanatic or anything.
So then it
Just
got
says
passed
enjoy.
on, and now we're.
Well, it's because my team sucks so bad.
The Reds.
It's hard to watch.
The teams are so bad.
And I think one of the neat things about Ancestry is this has a unique way of bringing family in, because who is interested in, I think, the past and learning more about it, Ancestry provides that, and then it brings all of us together to be able to talk more and more about it. That's one of the things I want to do, is reach out to my mom, reach out to my sister, call my Uncle Rick, and just kind of let them know some of the history that we learned here. And it's going to make everybody want to dig in a little bit more and learn as much as we can about it. It's great to have that at your fingertips.